Peace be upon you, second-year students of the Prayer and Information Division. Today, we will implement an OOP application in Python. Let's open a new folder and name it My Car. Then open Visual Studio Code and a file. We go to the desktop and select My Car. We have opened a new folder, and we can create a file. A dialog box appears asking if you trust. Yes, I trust the author of the folder. Of course, new file, let's name it mycar.py, which is the extension for Python. We open a new file named mycar. First, we create a class called car. Inside this class, we can use the initialize function. The initialize function is responsible for defining the object. In the server, we will define the name of the object. For example, if the object is C1, then C1.name will be equal to the name. For example, the car name, the model, the distance traveled by the car, and finally the time it took the car to reach the destination. We assign the name using cell. Name equals name. For example, if the object is C1, then C1 name equals name. This is the key, for example, or any car. Cell, model equals model, cell, distance equals distance, and finally, sale, time uguale a time. Now we have defined a set of properties related to the object. We clone an object from the class, so we have defined a set of properties related to this object, which are the car name, the car model, the distance traveled by the car, and the time. Now I will define a function, let's say print, to print the information. This function takes the car variable, and here we write print and add to quotation. Before adding to quotation, we add f. The f is responsible for passing a variable inside the string. The name of the car is, we can pass the variable. Self, name, music, add the quotation. Before that, add the letter f. It is necessary to pass a variable inside the string. The model of the car is add a curly brace, sale, model. we have the speed of the car, which is the distance divided by time. Print. Before we add the quotation, we must add the letter F. The speed of the car is. Add curly braces, sail, distance, sail, time. Dividing distance by time gives the speed. We need to take an object copy from the class, which will be equal to car. Of course, this car takes a set of variables. First, the name. The name, which will be K. The second variable is the model, which will be 2015, and we add a comma. The distance the car traveled. And it will be 350 kilometers, and the time will be 3 hours. The task of the save. It is passing information as properties to the object. And the last thing, C1.print. Print this information for me. We have the print function. Now if we run the file, here, the name of the car is K. The model of the car is 2015. The speed of the car is 116. Note that if we remove the letter F from here and see the result, here, the name of the car is safe.name. So here is wrong. We must add the letter F to pass the variable inside the car. C2 is equal to car proton. Its model will be 2016. The distance it traveled, which will be 300, and the time, which will be 3 hours. You can print C2.print and add parentheses. So if we run the program, here is the K and its model and its speed, and here is the proton, its model, and its speed. The program has ended. And peace be upon you and God's mercy and blessings.